Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to fix the remote desktop error. An authentication error has occurred on Windows. To fix the authentication error has occurred error, the first method you can use is to change the remote desktop settings. To do this, first, open the Run dialog box. Type the following command in the box and click OK to open the System Properties window. Go to the Remote tab and then uncheck the Allow Connections Only from Computers Running Remote Desktop with Network Level Authentication option. Click Apply and OK to save changes. Restart your computer and then check if the authentication error has occurred. Error is gone. You can also try to change the group policy settings to fix the error. Open the Run box and then type the following command. Click OK to open the Local Group Policy Editor window. Click Computer Configuration and then select Administrative Templates. System. Credentials Delegation. Double-click the Encryption Oracle Remediation option on the right of the window. Choose Enabled and then select the Vulnerable option under the Protection Level drop-down menu. Click Apply and OK to save changes. Close all the windows. Next, open the Command Prompt window. Type the following command and then press Enter. After that, reboot your computer and then check if the error is fixed. There is another method you can try to fix this error is editing the registry. First, open the Registry Editor window. Next, navigate to the following path. Double-click the Allow Encryption Oracle D-Word to open its Edit D-Word window. Change the value data to 2 and then click OK. After that, reboot your system then try again.